Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I will be telling you about some of my favorite Netflix series which I have loved watching. So let's get started. So the very first one is The 100. The 100 is based on a post-apocalyptic world where a nuclear war has left the earth uninhabitable. Okay, so now some of the countries merged before the nuclear war and they build a space station and they start living in space. Now, after a century, they start facing oxygen deprivation. That's when they decide to send 100 juvenile prisoners to check whether the earth is still uninhabitable or not. So, they are sending 100 people, and it is a story how they survive in earth where nothing is left. And about this series, if I would like to give you some points, is like it will give you survival instincts. It's really exciting, and it consists of 7 seasons, and the 7th season is still going on, and apparently it's the last season of The 100. You would love watching it because none of the episodes are boring. All the episodes are really exciting, and it is very different from what I have watched up till now. So definitely give it a try. It's worth watching and you will not get disappointed. Next up is The Money Heist. I think every one of you has already watched this series because there was a really hype about this series, and the hype is justified. It's a worth watching series. It's about a criminal mastermind who goes by the name The Professor, who has a plan of pulling off one of the biggest robberies which has ever happened, and it is to print billions of euros in the Royal Mint of Spain. Now, to pull off his plan, he goes and captures some group of thieves who don't have anything to lose and they have certain capabilities in them. So he gathers up those prisoners and they start with their plan. In this series, what I would really like to tell you is that in each there are a lot of plot twists. So in each plot twist you will be really rooting for the robbers. It is really different that you will be rooting for the robbers, and in every twist and turn you will feel that what is now going to happen, and the thrill is throughout all the episodes of this series. So it is a must try. I think everyone has watched it, but anyone who has still not watched it, please give it a try. It's worth watching. Next up is The Walking Dead. The Walking Dead is a legendary TV series, and it started off in 2010 and it is still going strong. Right now season 10 is going on, but in Netflix there are only 9 seasons. I hope season 10 also comes soon in Netflix because I'm really waiting for that. But about The Walking Dead, it is also based on a post-apocalyptic world where a zombie apocalypse has ruined the earth, and there are a group of survivors who are seeking safe passage. So it is really about the ups and downs they face throughout seeking the safe passage, and it is really sentimental and heart touching. It is a bit slow sometimes, but you will really love watching it. I normally don't binge watch anything, but The Walking Dead, I am honestly telling you, I've binge watched the entire series, and now I'm going to be watching season 10 as well. So really give it a try. It is a must try, and I feel that till now, however zombie apocalypse movies or series I've seen, this is the absolute best. Now the next up is The Haunting in the Hill House. So by the name itself you can guess that it's a horror series, and The Haunting in the Hill House, if I try to tell you in some words, it is horror, and more than horror, it is disturbing and really confusing. Even when I'm trying to tell you about what is the series about, I'm finding it really difficult to keep it in words. So when you watch it, you'll feel the sense of what I am telling you right now. So to give you a short version, that Haunting in the Hill House is based on a family and the children who grew up in a house which later on becomes the world's most haunted houses in the world. Okay, so give it a try. You will not be disappointed. It's worth watching. Now the last one is the suspenseful series The Unbelievable. So The Unbelievable is based on the real life story of Mary Adler, a then 18-year-old Washington state woman who reports to the police of the awful things that has happened to her, but the story given by her doesn't tally up, so police feels that this might be a lie. It comes around that a teenage is trying to gain attention. She's a troubled teenager, so throughout this story you will be like trying to know what really happened. Is the story given by Mary Adler is really true or not? So I would not like to give you more details about it. I would really like you to go and watch and find it for yourself. It is very good and worth watching. It's a small series which consists of only one season, so give it a try. It is really good. So that's all guys. If you really liked my video, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section how you liked each of the series which I have recommended to you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.